In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add an image as a header in your Google Docs document. This is a valuable skill that can help you personalize your documents, making them not only more visually appealing, but also more professional. Let's dive in. To begin, you need to select the image you want to include in your header. If you have a particular image in mind, make sure it's saved on your device, or if you're selecting from the web, save it to your desktop or a folder you can easily access. Once your image is ready, open your Google Docs document by navigating to docs.google.com and then sign in using your Google account credentials if prompted. Next, click on the image located on your device or copy the image from a web page. With the image ready, it's time to insert it into your document. First, click the image to highlight it. You'll notice selection markers appearing around the image, indicating that it's ready to be copied. Click once more and then select the copy option. Depending on your device, you can right-click and choose copy, or simply use a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac. Now, in the Google Docs document, navigate your cursor to the top part of the page by scrolling upwards. At the top of your Google document, you'll need to enter the header section. You can achieve this by double-clicking on the very top of the document area. This action will activate the header section, allowing you to paste the image there. With the header area activated, move your mouse to the desired position where you would like the image to appear. Right-click on your chosen spot within the header section. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select the paste option to insert the image you copied earlier into the header space. If you're using keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+V for Windows users and Command+V for Mac users will work just as well. And voila! Your image should now appear neatly in the header of your Google document. If you're pleased with the position, size, and overall fit of the header image, then you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully added an image header to your Google Docs document. Feel free to adjust the size or alignment of the image if needed. You can click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, or use alignment settings to better position it according to your needs. This simple process can make your document stand out, whether you're crafting a business proposal, creating a personal letterhead, or designing a sleek report. I hope you found